Top 5 apps like Remotaskscom review that actually work today. Remotaskscom allows users to earn by completing microtasks, but most people get this wrong by not verifying payout reliability. The surprising truth is there are several platforms that offer similar opportunities with secure payments. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Amazon Mechanical Turk offers microtasks like surveys, data entry, and transcription. Users appreciate reliable payments and variety. Second, Clickworker provides small tasks with flexible schedules. App users highlight consistent payouts and task variety. Third, Appen focuses on eye-training tasks and transcription work. Customers love project diversity and legitimate income opportunities. Fourth, Spar offers short, skill-based tasks online. Users report fast task completion and prompt payments. Finally, Microworkers connects freelancers with short online tasks. Many users appreciate secure payment and simple tasks. Pro tip: always read verified reviews and understand payout methods before starting. Avoid platforms that lack transparency. These 5 apps allow you to earn safely through online microtasks without risking scams or unpaid work.